Hi guys, we are outside. Look guys, it's sunny. It's sunny outside. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, ano mo yung sa Berlin? It's sunny day. We're walking outside as we're going to park. So it's sunny. Pero ano pa rin ako, coat. Pero hindi na masyadong malamig. As in, so nice walking here. It's pretty sure. It's the sun. Look guys, it's a Berlin. We are live here in Charlottenburg, Berlin, Germany. So like that. So we're going to park guys. So ayan guys, papunta tayo ng park. Dito tayo madaan papuntang park. So guys, tingnan mo, ang ganda na ng weather. So sana guys, I'll show you later guys, okay? See you later. So guys, we are here in park. So you can see people so like that here. This is the view. There's no leaves. So we go walk there guys. So we are here guys. It's nice sunny. Very sunny. Sunny there. So we walk there guys. This side. So let's go. Come, let's go. Ganda na. Where? So nasa ako, doon na lang daw kami sa kabila maglakad. Hindi na dito. Dito na guys. Doon lang. So ayan guys. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Oh. Sunny. Yung mga tao nagja-jogging. Walking. Ang ganda. Look. Oh, so beautiful. Ganda guys ng weather today. Very warm. Beautiful. So we walk on what? Birthday. Tumakbo. Ayun guys, so dito sa kabila naman to. Tara! Yan, may mga tao. Yun, nakaupo. Look guys. Merong ano dito guys, so pandila. May namatay dito guys. Basta ganyan. Ibig sabihin may namatay. People there guys, they're going to picnic. Yan. So So guys, I'm back. And Espanta. So guys, ang ganda ng weather. Yan. Kasi yung mga tao dyan nagpipiknik. Nakaupo. The people there. Yan mga tao guys nakaupo. Show me one last day. So beautiful, sunny. Sunny.
Ist noch ein bisschen Eis.
What is the ice? Look, there's some ice here. A sunny. So guys, naglalakad pa rin tayo. Nahiya kasi ako. Sinastop ko yung video guys pag may mga kasabay kaming tao. Nahihiya kasi ako. Kasi mag-vlog. So ito guys yung walang mga dahon. Pero soon sa next month magsa-start na yung dahon. So guys, may ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan may mga duck. Yan. Oh, dami nila. Pero guys, yung tubig nag-ice. Ice pa.
Oh, ganz schön dick.
Still ice, ha?
War ganz schön dick. Jetzt ist es langsam weg.
Yeah.
Morgen gibt es nicht mehr.
Ayan yung mga baby. Baby ba duck? Basta. Yun na yun, ayan. Dami nila. Ayun. Parang hindi sila nilalamig. Diba? Yan. Kami ko here. Here, honey, There. There's a duck. That's so nice. So nice. Kami ko. Sorry, good. Mga tao guys, ayan po, may duck pa dun, marami. There's more. Okay, look, there's more duck killing there. Nakikita niyo ba? There's more duck. Okay, let's go. So guys, nandito na tayo sa highway. Walking. Oh my God, there's a car.
Oh.
So, from there, cars. Ganda. Beautiful. Strasse. Yan. Ganda talaga ng araw. Tapos dito sa kabila guys ay water. Merong boat Then here is Strasse. Well, ganda na Strasse. Diba guys, ayun mga tao. We're going there guys. dito guys. So many people here. And people outside too. Ganun. Guess guys. Guess there's a castle there.
Schloss Charlottenburg.
So, and there's what is this, angel? So, many people go. What is this? There's a castle and there's water. Message. Water there. So you can see people like that. Hi guys! I guess we have cooking here. Only one. Sure. My honey. So yummy. Where you want to sit?
Weiß ich denn, irgendwo guter Platz ist zum Platz, weißt du? Ich kann nicht sehen.
Naghanap kami ng upuan guys. Kasi kakain kami nito. And just look. Look at the tree. Beautiful tree. Walang leaves. It's so nice. And so this, look guys, there's what is this? It's a castle. Yeah, it's yung guys, a castle. When we walk here like this, so pretty. Like this. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng green leaves there. So pretty. Ganda na guys. Very sunny. Sunny. There's a lot of sunny.
Wollen wir uns darauf setzen, die Brüstung von den Brunnen.
Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. There's so many. Diba? So look at this. What is this? This is
Probier mal. Ich glaube, das ist Cappuccino, was du hast. Probier mal. Probier.
Ano to guys? Cappuccino. So, let's start.
Probier das mal.
Okay.
Probier. Ja, dann nimm das.
There's ice here. Yung tubig guys ay nagiging ice na kasi sa snow. Yung madaming tao dito guys. Ano ngayon, linggo. So talaga maraming tao. So look. Guys, nakaupo na kami. Hi guys, nakaupo na kami dito sa itong upuan. Kasi, tapos na rin ako umihi guys. So, papahinga muna kami dito. Then mamaya ay uwi na rin kami guys. Ito na natira yung kuko ko kasi nasira. Madali matanggal yung nilagay kong fake nails sa kuko ko kasi yung Yung glue, madali matanggal. So, ito na lang natira. 1, 2. And dito ay isa na lang. So, guys, this is... And let's show you around, guys. So, this is the view. When you sit here, this is the view. So, this is... Ayun yung castle pala, guys. Ito yung sa likod. Diba kanina nasa labas kami? Ay, nasa kabila, sa harap. Tapos umikot kami dito sa likod. Ito yun. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ang castle. Yung kanina guys, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, dun yung sa harap. At ito yung sa likod. Tama ba? Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys! We are sitting here guys. Wala lang. Ano lang kami. Tumitingin-tingin lang sa paligid. Walang magawa. So mamaya guys, so rin kami. So, yung asawa ko naglalaro ng Pokemon. Naglalaro siya ng Pokemon. Ako guys, dito lang. Wala lang. Chill, watch, selfie. Guys, ito yung view mula dito. Nakaupo kami. Ayan.
Mula dito.
From here to there. Ayan. And dito, castle. Mga tao tumatawid na. They met each other. So guys, ayan na guys, pauwi na kami guys. Naglalakad na kami. Autos coming. Ano sa red. Wala ko dyan. Guys, what is this? Hi, be careful. So guys, we're going home. Guys, a nice house here. We walk to home. Nandito pa yung pimples ko. Itim na. Pero magaling na yan guys. Kasi hindi na lang siya. Ang ingay ng sapatos ko. This is also park, honey.
Ja, gehen wir mal rein.
Also park daw, guys. Guys, park. Ganda ng weather. What's this?
Hier dann ganz vorne.
Hmm? Ganda ng mga puno, oh. Walang mga, yung iba walang dahon. See. Then, ayan. Doon puno. Dun. Ready for walking here.